Being woke cannot be achieved by book knowledge alone. One must be able to apply mental skills in a mental universe. A truly woke person has undergone a personal transformation from the inside that can be reflected outwardly. Part of making the transformation is unlearning the old programming that keeps you locked into a certain way of being. I get this question from religious people a lot. Basically, the question is this: how can we change all the evil in the world? They are correct. There is what they define as evil in the world. But there is also its opposite that exists in the world. By universal law, it is not possible for anything to exist without its opposite. But having been religious, I know how I was trained to focus on my enemies and evil lurking around every corner. When you awaken through the practice of Kemetic science, you recognize the law of duality is always in operation. In other words, there are two sides to everything. The religious person that asked me that question is asleep to their own mental programming that orients them to seek out events and information that proves that there is evil. It can be exhausting. Are you woke to your programming? Sacred process mastery will awaken you to your power.